Hundreds of hands rose from the floor as I reached for the emergency stop button. I wake to silence, an oppressive silence. The familiar hum of lab equipment is gone, swallowed by a bone, chilling stillness that seeps into my bones. My phone screen shows 2:47 a.m. I check the cameras. All feeds show black. Static crackles through every monitor. The power is not just off, it is dead, every circuit broken at once. I grab my flashlight and step out of the control room, my heart pounding a frantic rhythm. That is when I see it, the emergency stop button blinking weakly down the hall. It should not be on. Nothing in this facility should be powered. As I approach, my breath clouds before me. The temperature plummets fast. A noise from behind makes me spin. Something heavy drags across the floor. Closer now. Heavy footfalls that do not sound human. I run for the button, slipping on something wet beneath my feet. It's thick and viscous, disturbingly warm even in this freezing room. Fingers close around my ankle, just as I reach the emergency stop. The last stalker I see is a reflection in the glass, rows of identical me stretching into darkness. The button goes dark as hundreds of hands rise from the floor.
Like this, or I will watch even closer when your eyes close tonight.